everyone, and welcome back to English Pod Up. I'm Emma, your English teacher. Today, we are going to learn how to have basic work conversations and talk with coworkers in English.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm excited to learn how to speak confidently at work.
Before we start, please subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more practical English lessons.
Thank you for supporting English Pod Up.
Talking with coworkers is very important. Today, we will practice simple and natural sentences that you can use at work every day.
Great. I want to speak confidently with my colleagues.
Let's start with greetings at work.
Okay.
You can say, "Good morning. Hello, how are you today? Hi, nice to see you. How was your weekend? How are things at work? Did you have a good day yesterday?"
Good morning, Emma. Hello, how are you today? Hi, Leo. Nice to see you. How was your weekend? How are things at work? Did you have a good day yesterday?
Excellent. Now let's practice a dialogue for greetings.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Emma. I am fine. Thank you. How about you?
I am doing well. How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with friends. How about yours?
I stayed home and relaxed. It was very nice.
Perfect. Now let's practice talking about daily tasks.
You can say, "What are you working on today?" "I am preparing a report. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to finish a project. I will call a client. I am busy with emails."
What are you working on today, Emma? I am preparing a report for my manager. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to finish a project by the afternoon. I will call a client soon. I am busy with emails and messages.
Dialogue example.
Emma, what are you working on this morning?
I am finishing a report and sending emails. What about you?
I am preparing a presentation for the meeting. It is almost ready.
Now let's practice asking for help and giving help.
You can say, "Can you help me with this task? I need some advice. Do you know how to do this? I can help you if you want. Let me show you how to do it. Can you help me with this task, Emma? I need some advice on the project. Do you know how to do this form? I can help you if you want. Let me show you how to do it."
Dialogue example.
Emma, I need help with this report.
Sure, Leo. Let me show you how to format it correctly.
Thank you, Emma. That helps a lot.
Now let's practice talking about meetings.
You can say, "We have a meeting at 2 p.m. The meeting is about the project. I will take notes. I need to prepare for the meeting. Can you attend the meeting? We have a meeting at 2 p.m. The meeting is about the client project. I will take notes during the meeting. I need to prepare a presentation for the meeting. Can you attend the meeting?"
Dialogue example.
Emma, do you have time to attend the meeting?
Yes, I will attend and take notes. Are you ready?
Yes, I am prepared. I also need to ask a few questions.
Great. Now let's practice talking about problems at work.
You can say, "I have a problem with the project. I need help to solve this. There is a mistake in the report. The deadline is very short. I am worried about this task. I have a problem with the client report. I need help to solve it quickly. There is a mistake in the spreadsheet. The deadline is very short. I am worried about this task."
Dialogue example.
Emma, I am worried about this project.
Don't worry, Leo. Let's solve it together step by step.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Now let's practice giving opinions politely at work.
You can say, "I think we should do this. I believe this is a good idea. In my opinion, we can try another way. I suggest we ask the manager, what do you think about this? I think we should prepare the report first. I believe this is a good idea. In my opinion, we can try another method. I suggest we ask the manager. What do you think about this?"
Dialogue example.
Emma, what do you think about the new plan?
I believe it is a good idea. We can also check the details before starting.
Perfect. Now let's practice making small talk. You can say, "Did you watch the game last night? How is your family? Do you have any plans this weekend? The weather is nice today. I hope you have a good day." Did you watch the football game last night? How is your family, Emma? Do you have any plans this weekend? The weather is nice today. I hope you have a good day.
Dialogue example.
Emma, do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I will visit my parents. What about you?
I will go hiking with friends. It should be fun.
Finally, let's review useful phrases for work conversations.
Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? What are you working on today? Can you help me with this? I have a meeting. I need to prepare for the task. I have a problem with... I think we should... In my opinion, I suggest... Do you have plans this weekend? It is nice to talk with you.
Now, a full conversation from start to finish.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Emma. I am fine, thank you. How was your weekend?
I stayed home and relaxed. How about you?
I went hiking with friends. It was very enjoyable.
What are you working on today?
I am preparing a presentation for the meeting and finishing a report.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. I need advice about formatting the report.
Sure, I can help you. Let me show you.
Thank you, Emma. That helps a lot.
Do you have plans this weekend?
Yes, I will go hiking again. What about you?
I will visit my parents. It will be a nice weekend.
Thank you for practicing with me, Emma.
And thank you to all our listeners. Please subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends.
Keep practicing English at work. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.